In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Protected View in Excel. If you often open Excel files and see them launch in Protected View, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to change that setting. Protected View is a security feature in Microsoft Excel that opens certain files in a restricted mode, especially if they come from the internet, email attachments, or locations that Excel considers potentially unsafe. Disabling it can make opening files faster and more convenient, but it's a good idea to be careful and only do this if you trust the files you work with. To begin, open Excel and look to the top left corner of the window. Click File to open the main menu. This takes you into the Backstage view, where Excel keeps its app settings and account options. Next, move down to the bottom left area and click Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can adjust many of the program's default behaviors and preferences. Once the Options window appears, look along the left-hand side and click Trust Center. This section contains Excel's security and privacy settings, including the controls for Protected View. After that, click Trust Center Settings. A new window will open with more detailed security options. In that window, find and click Protected View on the left side. This section shows the specific situations where Excel automatically opens files in Protected View. Now you'll see several checkboxes. First, click the checkbox next to Enable Protected View for files originating from the internet so that it is unchecked. This disables Protected View for files downloaded from online sources. Then, click the checkbox next to Enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations to uncheck it as well. That will stop Excel from applying Protected View to files opened from locations it flags as risky. Next, click the checkbox next to Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments to disable that option too. This prevents Excel from automatically using Protected View for spreadsheet attachments opened from Outlook. Once all three of those settings are unchecked, click OK to confirm your changes. Then click OK again if needed to close the Excel Options window and return to your workbook. That's it. Protected View is now disabled in Excel for those file types and sources. As a quick tip, if you ever want to turn the feature back on, just return to the same Protected View menu and recheck the boxes. This can be useful if you start working with files from unfamiliar sources and want the extra layer of protection.